A robot vacuum, also known as a robotic vacuum cleaner, is an autonomous device designed to clean floors and carpets without human intervention. These devices use various sensors and algorithms to navigate around obstacles, avoid falling down stairs, and efficiently clean the surfaces they encounter. In this video, we break down the 5 best robot vacuums in the market. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1, iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. The iRobot Roomba S9 Plus lacks a mopping attachment and has a much simpler optical sensor-based system with no LiDAR mapping and no real-time hazard identification and avoidance capability. That said, this VSLAM system still builds a pretty detailed map of its coverage area, and you can use its companion app to send it to labeled areas or set up boundary lines the vacuum won't cross. It has an onboard HEPA filter, which is highly effective in trapping particles like pet dander. The S9 Plus variant has a self-emptying dock that can suck debris from its internal dustbin into an external dirt bag without manual intervention, so you don't have to worry about creating a cloud of dust and debris when emptying it. If you don't mind giving up the onboard HEPA filter, the Yeti Vac Station offers self-emptying capability at a much lower purchase price. The Yeti also has a passive mopping system, which isn't especially effective in clearing stains. Number 2, Roborock Q5. The Roborock Q5 has a LiDAR mapping system that maps out rooms quickly compared to most optical sensor-based systems, especially in dimly lit rooms. Its companion app is very easy to use and lets you set up virtual boundary lines that it won't cross or direct to clean a specific room in your home. It delivers exceptional performance on bare surfaces like hardwood or tile floors and is remarkably effective when dealing with pet hair, though it struggles a little on the carpet. The Q5 Plus variant comes bundled with a self-emptying station, so you won't have to empty its dustbin manually, though this configuration is considerably more expensive than the base variant. Unfortunately, despite having a high-efficiency E11 filter, it does a terrible job of sealing in fine particles, which are blown free from gaps in its body and LiDAR sensor. It also features LiDAR navigation and does a much better job of sealing in allergens like pet dander. However, it has a shorter battery life and a slightly less feature-packed companion app. Number 3, Ecovacs Debit T10. The Ecovacs Debit T10 comes with 5,000 Pascal suction, picking debris effectively from hard floors and carpets, an OZMO Turbo 2.0 dual mop rotating system, rotating at high speed to dissolve and remove stubborn stains. T10 Omni leaves your floors clean as new. The OMNI station automatically sucks the dust into its 3L sealed dust bag, washes the mops timely to keep them clean, and hot dries the washed mops after each cleaning session to avoid odor over time. True Mapping 2.0 for a more efficient, effective clean. Utilizing the same tech in self-driving cars, Debit's LiDAR and D2F sensors generate maps more accurately than VSLAM and camera-based technology. That means a faster, more efficient, more thorough clean. It is equipped with AIVA 3.0 technology, advanced visual recognition, and a powerful AI processor with a Starlight RGB camera. It precisely identifies and avoids common indoor obstacles, freeing it from collisions, entanglements, and disruptions. Number 4, Shark RV 2610WA. The Shark RV 2610WA is an ultra-powerful whole-home vacuum on carpets and floors that empties its dustbin. Second, it's an ultra-powerful vacuum that sonic mops hard floors simultaneously. It comes with Matrix Clean, and the vacuum cleans in a precision matrix grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris for the whole home, deep cleaning coverage. This bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. The bagless base does not require an additional purchase of disposal bags, and with Recharge and Resume, when low on battery, it will recharge and pick up cleaning. Sonic mopping scrubs hard floors 100x per minute, and for extra deep cleaning, initiate Matrix Mop in the app to get 50% better stain cleaning in targeted zones. This clean-edge technology uses blasts of air and corner recognition to remove debris from edges and corners for 50% better edge cleaning. It digs deep into carpets and directly engages hardwood floors, pulling up debris, hair, and dirt from all surfaces in your home. Number 5, Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra comes with Roborock's all-in-one docking system. S8 Pro Ultra can automatically complete the mop washing and drying process, preventing mold growth and unpleasant odors. Roborock's newest dual rubber brush system provides a cleaner effect and fewer hair tangles in one go. The more powerful 6,000 Pascal suction drives the robot vacuum to pick up debris, hair, dust quickly, and more from hard floors and carpets. The VibraRise 2.0 improves its vibration module from one area to two areas, providing a wider mopping zone, up to 3,000 times/min high-speed scrubbing, and over 6N consistent mopping pressure. Stains from soda to dried-on spills and more can be cleaned deeply and more effectively. Charges from empty to full in only 4 hours of fast charging. Get up to 180 minutes of runtime in one clean, enough to tackle most homes. With 3D structured light and infrared image technology, Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is smart enough to identify unknown objects on the floor, determine their size and location, and bypass them in bright and dark environments. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.